Welcome guys to Golden this day because we got 22 subscribers. This is my voice reveal. Also, I'm still a kid, so don't what they saying. This don't mock me because I'm still a kid. We have these guys. Thank you for 15 subscribers plus in the last 28 days. Also, this is 9.9k views. It's about to get 10k. Let's try to reload it. Still the same, bro. But I don't care. Look. Great job! Your views are higher than usual. Let's go, guys! Thank you for 22 subscribers. It's been an amazing year for 2025. Also, I forgot to post my 2025 video, but I don't care. Also, there's here our community. Where did this come by? Remove this. Anyone who want comment, just comments, bro. I reply to all of them. Here, come subscribe to my friend W-verse or Nufa-verse. Come subscribe to him. Also here, don't forget him. He's my friend. I will never forget him. So everyone go subscribe to him right now. Let's go to analytics. Please, bro, 10k. Let's gonna see here more. Yeah. What the hell? Also, I'm sick right now, so that's why I always sound like that, because I'm sick right now. It's been a great week for me lately, and I think I'm maybe taking a break because I got more thing to focus than YouTube. Because of school, I need to focus to school. So thank you guys for 22 subscribers in the last 28 days plus 15 subscribers. That is 999% more than the last 28 days, because I am inactive for the last 28 days. I think it's about 3 months I've been inactive. So that's all. This is an voice reveal video. So goodbye. I wish you guys good luck. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you.